Guys, I've been eating saltfish fritter all my life, and so today I want to do something different. So I'm going to saute the herbs and aromatics with some butter, turmeric, paprika, and all-purpose seasoning. My saltfish is shredded. I remove only the excess salt, leaving a little something something there. For the fritters, normally I wouldn't add baking powder, so today I'm like, let me give it a try. My son didn't like the idea, but guys, it's an experiment. I put everything together with water and then I fry them off until they are golden brown, looking like this. Normally I would eat this just as is with probably eggs and frying up some plantains, but today I'm making a pineapple Scotch Bonnet coconut sauce. We need garlic, Scotch Bonnet pepper, ginger, pineapple, some coconut milk, sweet chili, lime juice, salt to taste, and that's a wrap. Guys, check out the saltfish fritters. And check out the sauce here. I need to bottle this. This was so good.